Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block WhatsApp calls from unknown numbers. Friends, if someone is disturbing you by making WhatsApp calls from unknown numbers, then you can very easily silence WhatsApp calls for all unknown numbers. So to do so, you simply need to open WhatsApp app. In WhatsApp app, you need to press on the three dots. Here you need to press on settings. In settings you need to press on privacy. In privacy scroll it little down and here you need to press on calls. Now in calls you will find the option to silent unknown callers. You simply need to enable it. Now after enabling this setting, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. So friends, like this you can very easily silence WhatsApp call from unknown numbers. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.